I'm gonna be okay. Have a rough day, but I'm gonna be okay. At least that's what I say. Jesus said everything's gonna be fine as long as I keep just to mine. It's a nice rainy day today. I'm glad it rained. I was wanting it to lighten and take me away. Up there. Up there. With my mom and dad and Paul. Paul's mom, dad, Barbara Sue and Betty Lou, Dallas, Daryl, Franklin, my brothers and sisters, Nana Ray, my little sister I never met, my granny and Grandma Emery. This is a miserable earth. People are not kind. And I think kindness begets meanness. Kindness begets scams and fraud, and in real life I thought would be real, but no, it's fake too. It's just one person using another, and usually the person that get used is the person that's used to being used and cheated and scammed and fraud. And then in real life it's the same. I think it's just me. I think I wear a sign that says, treat me horrible. Treat me horrible and I'll take it. I'll get over it. And I do. And I will. And my niece is coming to see me tomorrow. And we'll go somewhere to the park and walk. That's what I did for her when she was not doing well. Back, 1985 in Georgia. And she lived with me for a little while. And she said the best thing I said was, let's take a walk in the park. So tomorrow, when she comes, there's a park close by. Not this one. I won't be up here. I take her to the park around the corner. Nice little park with some kind of little pond with geese, and we had geese when we took a walk back in 1985 or whenever it was. Flowers are blooming very pretty this morning in this rain. I love the rain. Couldn't cry. I was so upset and hurt by somebody that I thought I loved. I think I was just too long isolated. Too long without somebody. But I'm gonna be okay. It's gonna take a while. Because I thought this was real. Gratification. Why do we even seek it on earth? Gratification just begets evil. And it won't happen again. I don't have many years left. Maybe 20. I don't want to live to be 82. No, that'd be 92. I certainly don't want to live 20 more of this. I'm ready to go. Ready to go up there. And Paul. And Bobby Sue and Betty Lou. And my brothers Franklin and Daryl and Dallas. No, I don't know about all of them, but Betty Lou and Barbara Sue and Mom and Dad and Paul's mom and dad. I was hoping to be here. I was hoping my son would come and see me, but he won't. Not often, because of stuff that happened when I was in a nursing home.